We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth audio delay on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this could be happening with a speaker or headphones. This can be annoying as when something happens, it's then delayed from the actual sound coming out of the Bluetooth device. So to get started, let's head to our settings, swipe up and open them up. Come to the top and you can press connections. What you then want to do is come into Bluetooth like so. As you can see, I'm currently paired here. What you first want to try doing is repairing the devices. Press the gear or cog icon to the right here, and you can press unpair at the bottom and confirm your decision. You can come onto the device, turn it off. What we can then do is turn it back on. We can then put it into pairing mode again like so. That will vary depending upon your device. Then we can press scan at the top and we can go and find the device and reconnect. We can then go and press pair like so, and when it goes and reconnects, go and see if the problem is solved. If it is, then great. If it isn't, we need to go and turn it off like this. Then what you want to do is come onto the side of the device and press and hold the power button. Press restart and then restart again. When it starts again, come back to your settings, press connections at the top, then we can come into Bluetooth and we can go and turn it back on. We can turn the device on and off just so it goes and reconnects. Now, when you play sound, hopefully the delay's fixed.